Hello, students. Today we continue our discussion on the chapter factorization. We are discussing application of formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. First problem is 9x to the power 4 minus of x square plus 2x plus 1. So, as we know, first we need to express these terms as a perfect square. So, 9x to the power 4 can be written as square of 3x square. Now, look at this term x square plus 2x plus 1. If you arrange the term, you can write it as square of x plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square, which can be written as x plus 1 whole square. Here we are using formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b square. So now once you express as a perfect square, then we can apply the formula. So a square minus b square. Formula is product of sum of the terms into difference of the term. So 3x square plus of x plus 1, 3x square minus x minus 1. Moving into the next problem, x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 5. So from the first two term, we'll take x square as common. So we'll get x minus 5. X cube divided by x square equals to x minus 5x square divided by x square equals to minus 5. And from these two terms, we can take minus 1 common. So we'll get x minus 5. Because once you take minus common, each term will change its sign. So minus x will become x, plus 5 will become minus 5. So now look at these two terms. From these two terms, we can take x minus 5 as common. So we'll get x square minus 1. Now look at the terms x square minus 1. Here we can apply the formula of a square minus b square. So if you apply the formula, you will get x plus 1 into x minus 1. So the factors will be x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Let's solve the next problem. X square minus 2xy plus y square minus a square minus 2ab minus b square. So we keep these three terms in together and the last three terms together, and from the last three terms we are taking minus common. So we'll get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now if we apply the formula, so this will be the formula of square of x minus y, and this is the formula of square of a plus b. Now look at this term. This is a difference of two squares. So we can apply the formula. So x minus y plus of a plus b, x minus y minus of a plus b. So once we open the bracket, we'll get the factors as x minus y plus a plus b multiplied by x minus y. Now minus plus minus, minus plus minus. So minus a into minus b. Moving into the next problem, it is given that a square minus b square multiplied by c square minus d square minus 4abcd. Now the first thing, we are multiplying these two terms. If you multiply these two terms, we'll get a square c square minus a square d square minus b square c square minus minus plus b square d square. And this minus 4abcd we are writing as minus 2abcd minus 2abcd. because we want to express the given term as a difference of 2 square. So now if you see a square c square plus b square d square, with these two terms we are clubbing minus 2abcd together, and from these three terms we are taking minus common, and we are writing as a square plus d square plus 2abcd plus b square c square. Now if you arrange this, so you can write it as a square of AC minus BD minus square of AD plus BC. Now this is the difference of two square. So we apply the formula A plus B, that is the sum of these two terms, difference of these two terms. Now remove the bracket. So the factors will be AC minus BD plus AD plus BC multiplied by AC minus BD minus AD minus BC. Moving into the next problem, x square plus 1 by x square minus 11. So first we are splitting this minus 11 into two parts, minus 2 minus 9. The logic is, or the reason is, we want to express as a difference of 2 square. So 9 is the square of 3, and x square plus 1 by x square minus 2, if you arrange this you can write square of x plus square of 1 by x minus this 2 can be written as 2 into x into 1 by x. So this will be the formula of a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equal to square of x minus 1 by x minus 3 square. Now as a difference of 2 square you can just write the product of sum of these two terms and difference of these two terms. So the factors will be x minus 1 by x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 1 by x minus 3. Next is a square plus b square minus 7a square b square. So as we did in the last sum, this time we are writing this minus 7a square b square as plus 2a square b square minus 9a square b square, so that we can express as difference of two squares. So 9a square b square can be written as square of 3ab, and this term a square a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a square b square, we are arranging it and writing as a square of a square plus b square. Now next we are applying the formula. So formula is product of sum of these two terms. So we will get a square plus b square plus 3ab into difference of these two terms, that is a square plus b square minus 3ab. I hope you understand this. Moving into the next part. Express x square plus 5x minus 7 into x square minus 5x plus 7 as the difference of 2 square. So first we are writing the given term. Now we are taking x square and we are keeping these two terms together, 5x minus 7. Same, if you keep these two terms together, so we apply the bracket. So we take minus 1 minus common, so we'll get 5x minus 7. Now see, a plus b, a minus b. So we can apply the formula. So it is square of x square minus square of 5x minus 7. We leave the term here, as the question is given we need to express this as a difference of 2 square. So no need to simplify further. Evaluate. Square of 979 minus square of 21. So it is already given in the difference of 2 square. So just apply the formula 979 plus 21, 979 minus 21. So if you add these two, you will get 1000 multiplied by, if you subtract these two, you will get 958. So the product will be 958000. I hope you understand this. Assignment is given based on the sums which I have discussed today. solve the problem and submit it in the Google Classroom. Thank you, class.